Hey guys, it's Wes with Highline Car Care. Today here we've got a 2007 Lexus IS 250 navigation unit. I'm going to show you today how to replace the Digitizer. Just to be clear here, replacing the Digitizer is going to repair the symptom of your touch screen not responding to your touch. This particular one right here is functioning. As you can see, responds to my touch. But for argument's sake here, let's just pretend that you've got this in your car. You're going like this and nothing happens. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the LCD screen from your navigation unit and to take this screen, replace the Digitizer. Pretty simple process, but something you're going to be very careful with. So first off, we're going to need to remove the LCD screen from the navigation unit. Need a Phillips screwdriver. I opted for the power version. Just going to be 4 screws total to remove this faceplate. You've got those screws out. You got some tabs here that still hold the faceplate on. Just give it a little bit of pressure here and gently pry it out. And we do have a cable connecting this once you get it separated, so you're going to want to be careful with that. Cable right there. Gently wiggle it off of the faceplate. Now you've got the faceplate there. Put that aside. From this point, we've got 4 more screws we're going to remove. Not these 2, but the lower 2 on each side. Alright, 4 screws removed. Gently wiggle this out. You're going to have 2 cables behind it, so be careful. If you flip it up this way, you'll get access to them. This black lever here, flip it up, wiggle that ribbon cable out. Now this one you want to be very careful with. These wires like to pull out, so I've got my flathead screwdriver. Just give it a little pressure. You've got that separated. Once again, we'll put this aside for now. Now we're left with the LCD and the circuit boards. Got 4 more screws, 2 on each side. We'll separate this casing. You can see on this particular unit, somebody's been in here and tried to repair this. It is functioning okay right now, so I'm not going to touch it, but this is the kind of temporary fix that people apply to these units. They'll scrape that off and apply a solder circuit pin to that to repair it. Not a very reliable fix. So anyhow, we've got this. We've got both sides of the case off. Now we're going to separate the LCD from the circuit board. Right here, we'll just wiggle that, pull that out. We're going to take this, and on this particular one you flip the metal part downwards and that slides out. So now you've separated that, and you've got your third cable right here. Now we can remove the circuit board from the LCD. Okay, Set this aside. Always a good idea to get an anti-static mat so we don't damage any of the electronics. Now we have the LCD screen with the digitizer. Once again, I'm not going to replace this one, so we're going to go ahead and swap that out for this damaged one. So from here, it's a little bit tricky. You're going to need a heat gun. Looks like a giant hairdryer. I've just got this on here I'm going to toss aside. So just want to heat this up. Once we've got it warm, we're going to gently pry the digitizer off of the LCD. Be very careful not to stick your screwdriver through your LCD screen. Now when you've separated this, you want to take note of the location of the ribbon cable. You don't want to put the new one on in the incorrect position. We'll take all of this double-sided tape off as well. Okay, now we've got that ready for the new digitizer. Make sure you don't have any dust or specks on the screen. I'm going to take a new digitizer, peel the tape, Alright, that's ready to go on. Be very careful to align it properly before you let it stick. And that's it. So we've got a new digitizer. Of course, installation is going to be the reverse of what we just done here. This is something you'd like to try yourself. I hope this video helps. If it's something that you need help with, we are located here in the Mesa area in Arizona. Also something you can ship us your navigation unit. Once again, it's Wes at Highline Car Care, highlinecarcare.com. Thank you.